Hello and welcome to another episode of Screw. Yeah, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna add a Milltek exhaust and a Milltek downpipe to this beautiful GR Yaris. And we're gonna talk a little bit about the differences between the HJS downpipe and the Milltek downpipe. Because as far as I know, there are none. Because it's a HJS downpipe. We're gonna take a look at this and just make sure everything fits. And we added a short video sample of how the car sounds in stock, but I'm pretty sure you already know that. We will do at the end another video where you can see or hear how the car sounds with the Milltek resonated exhaust and the Milltek downpipe. That's it. Let's unbox all this stuff right back here and let's go. What's the difference between the HJS downpipe and the Milltek downpipe? Let me grab them for a second. As you can see, that's the package of the HJS downpipe. Obviously, it's HJS. And this one is the package of the Milltek downpipe. So I think any further discussions are irrelevant because it's HJS. It's absolutely the same. And who would thought it? They're absolutely 100% identical. It even says HJS on the plaque as on this one. It's 100% the same. So if anybody, they're just the same. I'm going to show you the exhaust in a minute. Let's talk about some details real quick. One of the things is the tailpipes. They are absolutely gorgeous. I really, really love them. They are very well made and absolutely beautiful. But there's one thing honestly, when I unpacked them, I was quite shocked that they are doing it this way. I just don't understand why. Because there are so many other options to do it, just better than they have done. And we're talking about this. I'm sorry, but what's that? They could have made just a 90-degree elbow, real smooth, and be done with it. But they decided to make it angled. I don't know. I don't know why. Maybe it sounds better because of this. I have no idea. But these are actually quite well made and very well welded. But I just don't understand why are you gonna do such a thing when you can just do an elbow who is much more smooth. I don't know. Well, let's see how it fits. And now we just before we fit it, we take a quick look at how it actually looks. So, and this is the exhaust. They're actually quite nice. Well done. Also, it looks good. End pipes, beautiful, but I just don't get this part. Yeah, we'll see. Comes with all the necessary fittings, hardware and gaskets, and a bracket for I don't know what, but we're gonna see. Yeah, so we're gonna install it. This one's already out. So let's remove the downpipe. So, and this is what you need to remove, the part of the airbox These are some safety, I don't know, brackets or what you told them. That's around the drive shaft. These brackets, that's everything you need to remove. And up here we have the downpipe. As you can see, it's not really nicely accessible, but if you remove the parts I just mentioned, you can reach it quite okay. So let's take it out. There's one problem with this here, that's the pressure tube. So at the original one, it's just a hard pipe going until up here, and there we have this one which goes into this rubber tube and then connects to the car. Now the problem is these ones are quite short. In fact, they are too short, so you have a lot of tension on this rubber. And I heard of some cases who just the rubber blew off, and if that happens, you're gonna get fault code and you're gonna have to stop the car. Unfortunately, we have to cut off a small part of this, so we have something to make it a little bit longer, and then we can connect it properly. That's just the one downside of the HJS downpipe. I don't know how others gonna do it. I don't know any others that are even street legal, so yeah, that's about it. One of the things you have to consider if you want to install these. And this is perfectly normal if you use a new downpipe with the exhaust and the isolation, because you just have to burn it in. That's it for today's video of the Milltek downpipe, or HJS downpipe, and the Milltek resonated exhaust. I hope you liked it. Glad to have you here. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.